Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. What you doing, buddy? Go, Junior. Hello, Junior. How about that? Hello.
I'm afraid of Smokey getting out, because if he sees him, holy shit.
Hi. Hi, cutie. Hi. Bye-bye. How about down here?
Hi, buddy. I guarantee he's gonna go up my freaking leg at some point.
Hello.
Or go up Keith's.
How about now?
Oh, did you see the tattoo I did on his leg?
Can I help you?
The hair still hasn't fully grown back yet.
What's up, Junior? Hello, big guy.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Told you.
Oh my god. Oh, that was so cute. Oh, you gotta hang. Oh.